like switching lanes, do this shit on purpose. Just because I never really thought I had a purpose.
Yo, this is Joey, and this is episode 2 of fucking Animal Planet. Just kidding, this is part 2 in a series called Making a Song Every Week Until I Blow Up. Episode went pretty good. So far I got like 50 views on it. I wouldn't say I've blown up necessarily, but you know, we're working on it. And this week I think we're gonna be a little less sappy and maybe, I don't even know, more positive. I'm in a real good mood at this very moment, so I don't want to give you a bunch of wham wham boo boo cry cry. The song that you're gonna be hearing in this is exceptionally awesome. I don't know why I'm saying that because I haven't made it yet, but I just feel like I could make a really dope banger. And maybe this one will carry episode 2 to 100 views instead of 50 views. Question of the day. Those of you watching this, are you yourself an artist, or are you just somebody who likes to watch music related content? Comment that below right now. Do not comment, and make sure you subscribe because, well, I'm desperate. Today I decided to take a nice trek into the woods. It's absolutely stunning. Let me give you guys another angle. As you can see, the trees are rather large. You know, I live in Florida, and I did hear there are monkeys in Florida now, very far down south. They're small monkeys, and I'm thinking about maybe getting some and breeding them here and just making this their little playground. Anyway, let's start making a song. Okay. Part 2, as promised. We are here on our second week. I was a few days late, but whatever. We've got a great beer hug here. We're gonna get in the zone, and we're about to make a banger, something that you've never done in your life. Just kidding. Yes, the $1 million question. I did get a haircut. I know the other clips don't really coincide with the hair, but I recorded them on 2 different days because I thought that might be a little bit easier to do. Sometimes you got to switch up the pace. You can't do the whole video in a day because then it's just boring. I mean, maybe it's already boring. Comment below. Is it boring? Am I boring? Anyway, this is the instrumental that we're gonna be using. It's nice and spicy. And I made a decision to, instead of sitting here and writing a song, while you guys watch the clips in between, I will write the song. And with that being said, I've already written the hook.
Yeah. Heartbreak 180 to dash a new meridian. Just shame, how long will it last when I ain't feeling it? It's hard, pain method is strong, but I'm concealing it. It ways felt harder to pass up when I'm seeing it. Pass up when I'm seeing it. A heart throb made for the job, but that's material. It's hard facing all the problems of a hero, and it caused me to yearn for the top, cause I'm delirious. Okay, definitely off. Method is strong, but I'm content till I'm delirious. Cross half the world, what it costs to make $1 million.
That's gonna be nice. Okay, so what we gotta do here is we have to do what's called this.
Harder to pass up when I'm seeing it.
So we don't want that layer right there. That's weird, you know? We need to get that
for the job, but that's material.
A heartthrob made for the job. So I need to go ahead and get some layers. So I'm just gonna remove my lead template and go in here and find us something that's clean layer, maybe. No, we need like some atmosphere. Let's try like harmony spread. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty nice. And even if we end up hating it, we can just change it, obviously.
Heartbreak 180 to dash a new meridian. Just shame, how long will it last when I ain't feeling it? It's hard, pain method is strong, but I'm considered.
All right, we need one that's like kind of yelly, like a little yelling, you know, just to contrast the blandness of the you know.
180 to dash a new meridian. Just shame, how long will it last when I ain't feeling it? It's hard, pain method is strong, but I'm concealing it. It ways felt harder to pass up when I'm seeing it. A heart throb made for the job, but that's material. It's hard facing all the problems of a hero, and it caused me to yearn for the top till I'm delirious. Cross half the world, what it costs to make $1 million.
All right, so we got a secret plugin. It's called Imager. And watch what this is gonna do.
Heartbreak 180 to dash a new meridian. Just shame,
Hear it?
how long will it last when I ain't feeling it? It's hard, pain method is strong, but I'm concealing it.
All right, I guess now I need verses. Now I need to write verses. I think breaks are very healthy, especially when you are struggling to write a song. You get that writer's block, you start to just completely decay in general. So I decided to go to the bus stop and have the bus take me to the store. And as I waited, nobody came, and I got a little confused and realized I have a fucking car. So I went back home, got in the car, took a deep breath, and decided to just roll the hell out. This is irrelevant. All right, look, I think the hook needs a little bit more refining for sure. I might need to even re-record it. I felt like I wasn't really in the pockets, but the verse that I just wrote, watch this.
It costs to make a million swerve in the right, switching lanes, do this shit on purpose. Just because I never really thought I had a purpose. Had obsession with it till I saw that she imperfect. Then I found it, probably made it perfect. Money on the clock and they ain't really worth it. Do I wanna find myself? Well, baby, I'm uncertain. Cause I could lose myself or wasting moments while I'm searching.
Oh, we gotta hear that back.
Swerve in the right, switching lanes, do this shit on purpose. Just because I never really thought I had a purpose. Had obsession with it till I saw that she imperfect. Then I found that that's the shit that probably made it perfect. Haters talking, I don't find no combo that's immersive. Time is money, I'm the clock and they ain't really worth it. Do I wanna find myself? Well, baby, I'm uncertain. Cause I could lose myself or wasting moments that I'm searching.
I think that needs like one of those like dark voices in the back, like the I don't know. I don't know how to explain that necessarily, but we probably have, yeah, deep dub right here. All right.
Accept the world with a swerve in the right, switching lanes, do this shit on purpose. Just because I never really thought I had a purpose.
That's it.
I saw that she imperfect. Then I found that that's the shit that probably made it perfect. Haters talking, I don't find no combo that's immersive. Time is money, I'm the clock and they ain't really worth it.
Oh, but there is more. So I thought that this part was just the verse, but it's actually a bridge. Well, that's just what I decided it is. Your discretion is advised because this is a pretty mean bridge. I'm gonna get aggressive here, okay?
Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low. With the devil grin, I ride my hate low. Saying all the same things, no, I never changed though. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low.
All right, so something like this needs a lot of layers. Like this needs to be nice and fat. Da da da.
Wasting moments that I'm searching. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low. With the devil grin, I ride my hate low. Saying all the same things, no, I never changed though. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low. With the devil grin, I ride my hate low. Saying all the same things, no, I never changed though. Heartbreak 180 to death.
All right, let's get a little bit of a listen on to that. Let's see what we got.
Wasting moments that I'm searching. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low. With the devil grin, I ride my hate low. Saying all the same things, no, I never changed though. Don't fuck with my pesos. You just not the type, bitch. I know you keep the pace low.
Beautiful. Intermission while I write verse 2. My name is Joey. Welcome to my crib. Oh, here's the door's open. As you can see, I like a nice open space, no walls. Windows always open because I am a big fan of cockroaches. I live in Florida, lots of cockroaches. I'm kidding, guys. I'm actually homeless. This is just a house that I found that someone is building. In order for me to have a home, I'm gonna need you guys to do exactly as the title says and watch these videos until I blow up. So obviously I'm a starving artist. I'm doing anything that I possibly can, and I'll do anything that it takes, even if it means begging and acting like this is my house.
To make a million. She said I'm sad, well damn, c'est la vie. Spoiler on the back of the Phantom, I'm drifting east. Harder just to be who you want when I'm being me. Cause more often I just do what I want rather than need. I'm swollen at the heart, but I'm better with every turn. And I know that I don't attempt, but I'm better than what I earn. And I'll show everyone.
All right, we got to record that part, but look, I want to do something with that little breath I did. I think we just take that part of the beat right out so it just pops. Right here. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's try that again. Right there. Take the beat out. Oh! What? Check that out. Check that out.
What would it cost to make a million? She said I'm sad, well damn. C'est la vie. Spoiler on the back of the Phantom, I'm drifting.
Dude, right. If I don't know if I'm gonna be able to edit that, but Joey, put a camera shake when that happens because it's crazy. Yeah. Okay. So let's finish this verse. I clearly messed up on it, but we can do it.
Make a million. She said I'm sad, well damn. C'est la vie. Spoiler on the back of the Phantom, I'm drifting east. Harder just to be who you want when I'm being me. Cause more often I just do what I want rather than need. I'm swollen at the heart, but I'm better with every turn. And I know that I don't attempt, but I'm better than what I earn. I'm willing to see it out, show everyone what I yearn. Show all of them what I am, make my enemies reassert.
I said menemies at the end there. Oh Lord, let me fix that.
I am, make my enemies reassert.
Well, guys, that is a song. That is a complete song. Sorry if the, I want to make these videos cooler. I didn't have a lot of time this week, so I didn't really put enough time into this one, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't boring the hell out of everybody by like recording too long and stuff. So try to make it quicker, more fast-paced and eventful. If you could give me any feedback on maybe what I could do. Should I just write the songs I mean, I did, kinda, because I was just writing. I wrote the song and then I'm just yapping at this point. Is there something that I could do to make these videos cooler? I want to get like real like cinematic with it, like especially the in-between clips. And I want to maybe do something like go to a park and record the song. Do something outside, like something a little bit more interesting than these red panels and the jellyfish. Well, it's not just jellyfish, but like this aquamarine video. I need something cooler. Anyway, if you guys like the songs that you've heard in part 1 and part 2, I ghostwrite for human beings, and if that's something you're interested in, it's linked below. I've done quite a bit of songs. I got a lot of experience with this, so love you. I'm subscribed to the channel, and week 3 is coming.